In this video, I'll show you how to use Apollo.io's sales analytics tools, an incredibly powerful feature that can transform your approach to sales and marketing. Whether you're a beginner or just exploring Apollo.io, by the end of this video, you'll know how to get the most out of these tools for tracking performance and improving your sales strategy. Before we jump in, just a heads up, you can get started with Apollo.io completely free with our exclusive bonuses. Check the first link in the description for that offer. Now, Apollo.io's sales analytics tools are a game changer for businesses that need to track their sales progress, analyze data, and optimize their sales strategy. When you first log in, you're greeted with a user-friendly dashboard that provides you with key insights about your sales pipeline. You'll see your lead generation stats, activity levels, and even engagement metrics right from the homepage, which is the perfect place to start. One of the most valuable features is the Sales Activity Report, which helps you track everything your team is doing in real time. This is where you can see the number of calls, emails, and meetings that are happening, as well as the success rates for these activities. By looking at this data, you can pinpoint which strategies are working and which ones need improvement. But it gets better. Apollo.io also offers detailed account insights, so you can track the performance of specific accounts over time. You'll be able to dive deep into how your target accounts are interacting with your content, emails, and outreach. This allows you to tailor your approach based on each account's specific behavior and engagement, leading to higher conversion rates. Another crucial tool is the lead scoring feature, which helps prioritize your prospects based on their engagement. Apollo.io analyzes behavior patterns to assign a score to each lead, showing you who's most likely to convert. This lets you focus your efforts on leads that are further along in the buying process, saving time and increasing your chances of closing deals. Now, let's talk about how to analyze your team's performance. Apollo.io allows you to filter data by team member or by individual leads, so you can track progress and set benchmarks. Whether you're managing a small sales team or a larger department, you'll get detailed reports on each member's productivity. This also helps with setting achievable goals, as you can use past performance data to predict future outcomes. Lastly, Apollo.io integrates with other platforms like Salesforce and HubSpot, making it easy to import and analyze data from multiple sources. You can create customized reports and dashboards, giving you a complete view of your sales funnel and enabling you to make more informed decisions. So, to sum up, with Apollo.io's sales analytics tools, you're able to track and measure your sales team's activity, dive deep into account-level insights, prioritize leads using lead scoring, analyze your team's performance with detailed reports, integrate seamlessly with other platforms for a 360-degree view of your sales process. This is just a quick overview, but I encourage you to explore the tools and experiment with the analytics features for yourself. To get started for free, click the link below for our exclusive offer, and you can dive deeper into Apollo.io's powerful features. I hope this guide helped you get started with Apollo.io's sales analytics tools. If you want to explore even more features, don't forget to check the description for that extended free trial. Happy selling!